What's up, y'all? So for today's video, finna head up north to go visit my man Kev. He visited me when he first came down to Florida. Now it's my time to pay him the visit. Finna head up north. Got like an hour and some change of a road trip ahead of me. And yeah, go hang out with the homie today. Hey, so your boy might drive his first right-hand drive car today. I ain't too sure, but hope, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, banger. Dr. Genius. Yep. Midwest action. Yep. Look at me, Lee. Come look at me, Lee. I'm a star. These people love me, man. These people love me.
I made it to Kev's spot. My man Kev. This is my first time going for a ride in this car.
You ever been in the right-hand drive?
Nah, I never been inside of a right-hand drive car driving. You're the first car I've ever sat in that was right-hand drive too.
Oh man.
So now I'm going for my first ride. This is my first sat in, and today's gonna be a good day.
Put it third, go ahead, put it third, Zosh. Right-hand drive.
Am I third?
Third. Oh.
Yo, I'm so...
Four. Four? Nah, this is good, you're good.
I'm so confused. Oh, okay, so fifth be over there. Okay, I got it. So it's like driving a regular.
It don't change.
Yo, why your car so spacious compared to mine? Like,
But you don't got a steering wheel at that time. You used to having a steering wheel there. It's right-hand drive.
yo!
That's why you should put have a steering wheel, switches, lights right here. Or on the other side.
Damn, you're right. Your windshield clear as hell.
I clean it from time to time.
Mine like somebody fogged that shit up or something.
This is wearing on the vlog, man. Come on, man. You don't get demonetized, boy. No money.
You're right. I can't be cursing on the vlog. Yo, this is sick, yo. First time in a right-hand drive, baby.
Yeah, buddy. It's doing weird as fuck.
It does.
Hear that winding?
Yeah.
That's the LSD. Boy, that's like the final drive LSD. The diff.
Yo, that's wild.
Yeah, 2.0.
Oh, you got the reverse lockout thing too? That's the
I have the second gear lockout.
Oh, second gear lockout. It's all on your.
I took them all out. I only have fans.
Oh, you took them all out?
Yeah, you took my ECU, all that, but it, you know, the harness went back.
Ah. So does the engine start button still work?
No, I think I disconnected that harness, man. It was all connected. All that was connected.
Damn. Running some errands with Mr. Rosario, dropping off y'all orders. Cam got spotted. Yo! Cam drives his car for the first time, gets spotted. You see a black guy, yo, is that Zosh? Funniest shit ever.
You know, pick a truck. So you watch this video, what up, man?
What's up, bro?
Came out of nowhere. We're just dropping off orders. This man's like screaming my name.
Hey, yo, Cam! The way he said it.
And then Zosh
You see a black guy, yo, that's Zosh!
Yeah, that's Zosh. Yeah, it's both of us.
Is Cam gonna do a pull?
Oh no, this street is catching 40 miles an hour.
No. God damn!
So down, ain't so.
Yo, this thing is too loud. I love it, bro. Cam's convincing me to just sell my B-swap, boy. I'm finna drop my K in my car. About time. It's convincing me. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna stay in B-series, bro. I don't know if I'm gonna go K anymore. Come visit Kev. Now I wanna go K again. Now I need to go K today. The auto response is too nice. Like, I prefer all motor over boost. Like, I love the boost noises, but for like driving wise and like what I wanna do with my car wise, all motor is perfect for what I love to do. If you could, which one would you choose? Well, obviously I know you choose this, but this is a cool shot right here. Both cars in the garage. Let's get an outside shot up. Yo, what? That's sick. Look at that. That's dope. So we're back at Kev's. I'm dressed in my old work shirt because we're about to film a skit, like a funny AutoZone slash, you know, something like a parts store skit. It's about to be dope, my boys. It's about to go damn. It's crazy seeing this car like fully in detail, like how I am today, like looking over the whole car. This car practically inspired my entire build. Behind the scenes, take one, action. Directed by Kevin Rosario and Percy Mescuddy. The movie mode, baby. Making movies out here like thugs.
You're just trying to make it in the...
That's all it is. I'm just trying to make it out the hood, man. I'm tired of eating lobster every night. I need real food. Like top ramen, not regular ramen, top ramen.
We're gonna see. What do you think fits in that little part?
Damn, yo, mailman.
Thank you. Can I turn this into one of those?
Yo, he drove in the damn dip so hard.
He didn't get it.
Damn. Yeah, he was like,
Nah, he be zooming.
yo, homie be zooming.
Hold on, my man zooming.
Yeah, yo, your mailman lit, bro.
Yo.
Yo, he's dope. Homie be zooming in the mail truck, yo.
Let me go get my mail before you take these off.
What else you need, bro?
So I got a 92 Civic, right? So I'm
Yeah.
gonna need that new K-tune light bulb, the low beam.
Low beam? 9,006 is your bulb size, right?
Yeah.
Alright, I got you. Hold on.
This guy take too long, man.
Hey, my man. Yeah. What you doing, yo?
Hold on, don't do that.
Okay, how you
Oh, I want a random smack. Like you just pop out of nowhere and smack. me.
Like,
Hey, don't touch it. Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, so.
So I'm gonna need a 92 Civic K-tune light bulb, low beam.
Okay, part number for the 92, 9,006? Alright, I got you, bro. Hold on, give me a second.
Alright. Gotta take too long. Look at it myself.
Yo, my man, what you doing, yo?
Yo, you take too long, you don't even know where it's at.
So what we do after that? So we just wrapped up the skit not too long ago. Kevin, his grind mode, editing all up. Yo, you guys are gonna like love this video. You guys are gonna see this skit before the video goes live. So hope you guys enjoyed it. It's it's funny how we improv like most of the whole entire thing like right off the fly. So that's
no script,
dope.
no nothing.
Yeah, that's it. We just go at it. That's what we do. Attack it. That's what we do. Video is now complete. Man, that thing was hilarious. Just watching him edit and everything. That was pretty sick.
Anybody here?
My man, what's good? What's up,
Hey,
bro?
how are you?
I'm good. How you doing? What you need? Hey, we the number one supplier in the state, baby.
You got that new AIM Dash, the MXS Strada?
Come on, son.
Don't say that.
Ta!
Whoa.
Come on, son. You know how I roll, B.
You guys got discount code for this?
I don't know about all that, son. I mean, I got it, but I don't know about no discount.
How much is it?
2,000?
2,000.
Yeah.
Let me Google this real quick.
Oh, we don't
Let me
price
give you
match. We don't price match, homie.
Nah, but you give me a price I think it's too high.
What you mean?
I get online for cheaper.
Bro, look at this, bro. What you mean?
Alright, give me a minute, man. Give me a minute.
Man, it's tripping.
For cheaper.
Ricky, man. Hey, Ricky, this your man? Man, it's tripping, bro. Man, it's tripping. Hey, my man, you need help with anything?
No, I'm good.
You sure? Anything?
Yeah.
Alright.
Good.
Alright. Let me know if you need anything, bro.
Alright.
Hey, my man, you need help with anything?
I'm good. I told you, I'm good.
Alright, man, alright. Hey, my man, you found what you're looking for, bro?
I'm just looking.
Alright, man. Let me know if you need anything, bro.
Damn,
Hey, my man, you need help with anything?
Man, you always scaring me, bro.
Hey, bro, I gotta do my job. Advance Auto.
Hey, how are you? Looking for 9? You got a 2 Honda Civic head gasket, sir?
5-speed automatic.
5 speed?
EX or DX?
EX? Got the VTEC on there?
Yep, we got 2 in stock for you, bud.
Is it gonna fit?
Yes, sir.
Is it a copper head gasket?
Yes, sir.
Is it 81 millimeter, sir?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You sure it's gonna fit?
Yes, sir.
Are you about there? I can go pick it up at your location?
Yeah, we got 2 in stock.
Alright, I don't want it no more, man. I want something else.
All right, what do you need?
I need a motor mount.
All right, same car?
Yeah, same car.
We got 1 left. Yes, sir.
Well, I'm gonna leave it too, man. I'm gonna leave it too. I don't need it. Sorry, man. I'm gonna just call askzosh instead, man.
Sorry, well, we got it, bro.
Nah, I don't believe you, man. I'm on your website right now. Send it out the stock. You say you got it. I don't believe you.
Nah, we got it.
Damn it, man. I'm out. Bye.
What the hell? Hey man,
What's up, brother?
trying to get one of those dual pool keychains. I've seen them online all the time.
One of these right here, bro?
Yeah.
Yeah, it just came in, man.
I want one.
You have to sign up for our rewards program.
How do you do that? I want to sign up.
Phone number and email?
I hate signing up for stuff. Like, you always get me like that. Nah, I'm good.
Nah, we ain't gonna spam your email or nothing. You want the free keychain? Sign up, bro. That's all you gotta do. Simple. We won't text you, we won't email you. All you do is sign up to get you a
How
keychain.
you sign up?
Phone number, email.
I don't have a phone.
MySpace? Tumblr? Twitter? Google? Wii? Xbox? PSN? Instagram? Facebook? Tinder? I don't know what I can do for you, brother. I mean, if any of your friends have a phone they can use for this or something?
I think he does over there.
Hey, my man!
Hey Ricky, we got another one! Grab a shot! Trying to get the oil change done, man.
Oil
Just
change?
oil and filter.
Okay, what oil we running with, bro?
Mobile 1.
I got you, bro. I got you. I got you, bro.
Why do you want to make sure you're good?
Yeah, bro, Mobile 1. I got you, bro.
Wait, no, not that one. The other one.
Okay, hold on. This one.
No, not that one. The other one. The one right there.
Okay, so this one right here you just said.
Nah, the other one.
Alright, hold on.
Man, let me get this computer, man.
Hey, my man. Hey, chill out, bro. I got this. Chill out.
You going too
Hey,
slow.
my man. I work here, bro. You see the name?
I got
Hey.
friends that work here too.
Hey, bro. Don't disrespect me in my work service, bro.
Listen, man.
I'm
Get my part on getting your manager.
I'm feeling highly disrespected right now, bro.
Get your manager.
I might gotta sock you now. Hope you guys enjoyed that quick little video. Be sure to follow Kev on Instagram at Rhdkevs and at 4Bangers Production. And follow your boy. Kev just uploaded it to his Instagram. About to watch it on the big screen. Kev's about to have me play some PUBG. I never played it. I played Fortnite. I sucked at it, so I don't really play games I suck at. But even though like most games you play, you suck at it at first. But I don't know.
There's 4 ways I think you can play this game. You can play it solo, means everybody in there is a one-man team. You can play duel, where it's 2 people on each other. Or you can play squad, which is like 4 people.
What do you play with your squad?
Yeah, you get 4 people, but if not, you're stuck playing it by yourself.
Update. I played like 5 games, I think. Died all the time, but I just killed somebody and then I died. The guy was camping up in a house.
How do you feel about the game? How do you feel?
It's actually pretty good. It's actually pretty good. Like, it's not a bad game. It's actually pretty cool. I'm about to get ready to go home. My man Kev cleaning my windshield for me.
5 pesos. 5 pesos, papi. Clean the window, 5 months.
Cause this damn windshield, like, you don't even, like, when I was sat in there earlier, it was like, you can't even, like, it's like you could, like, see out of it. There's, like, no window. Like, look at that, bro. It's like, what's the difference? What is the difference? Mine, that shit's, like, hazed up. For all my S2000 lovers. Just not leaving Kev's around, like, 11 o'clock or so. Got an hour and, like, 30-minute drive or something like that. So, yeah, it's been real. Time to get home, eat, shower, and close out this video. So I'll see you guys when I get home. Or I'll see you guys when y'all can see me. Hold up, I got y'all. Ta-da, boy. Go! Welcome to the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you thought this video was dope in any way, shape, or form, could you please do the following by just smacking that like button for your boy? And that would be greatly appreciated. Ooh, I almost had a damn lung capacitor. Huh? But today was an awesome day. Got to hang out with the homie Kev, saw his crib, got to ride in his car. Today was overall just a pretty dope day, man. So thank you to my man Kev for letting me come through for the one time. And most importantly, thank you guys for watching this video. And yeah, I don't know what to say to close out this video. Oh yeah, I do got something to say. Guess what? My merch launches tomorrow. Actually, it already launched, but I'm gonna say it launches tomorrow so I can do my product shots and stuff like that. But yeah, my product already launched, but I ain't giving y'all the link, and it's not on my website. So Marauder slaps are still available, Marauder banners are still available, Stock Block 1000, Stock Block Gang, all my stuff. If you want to support your bin noise, all down in the link down below. Make sure to follow Kev on his social media, all links down below. Follow me on my social media, link down below. And that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. If you're wondering if you've seen this video or not, you have seen this video. This is a re-upload. I had to take it down the day after. after due to personal reasons of the other party, but I got the okay to re-upload it, so boom! The reason why I wanted to re-upload this video is because a lot of people actually want to see the video again, and they want to see the skit we did, and they want to see, you know, going for pulls in Kev's car, so boom! Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you guys in tomorrow's video with an actual upload. That's not a re-upload. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. I'm out. Peace.